Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a eel.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Aha!
Good job.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a turtle.
Okay.
Look at this. It is an angelfish.
Aha! Yeah!
Look at this. It is a prawnfit fish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Whoa! Yay!
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yay! Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Oh my